just heard the melodious voices of our champions, Haley and Tara. Well, they've picked the challenger to sing next, and then you, the audience, are going to pick a winner by your own applause. Are you guys down? All right. What's your name up at the mic there?
Louise Nordoff.
Wow, that's a name. What do you want to sing tonight, Louise?
I would like to sing Freak the Freak Out.
Really? Are you sure? That's a pretty intense tune.
I'd like to sing it now, please.
All right. Here comes Louise singing Freak the Freak Out.
Don't make that face.